This is a story of the Ekalavya, who was a fighter in the epic Mahabharata. In the celebrated epic Mahabharata, there is a small episode relating to one Ekalavya, an aboriginal who acquired exceptional mastery in archery on his own. Ekalavya was keen to become an archer and went to Guru Drona to be accepted as his student. The Guru Drona refused to accept him as he hailed from a backward community. Ekalavya, however, requested Drona if he could worship a mud idol of his and learn archery. The Guru permitted this smilingly, knowing fully well that Ekalavya could never learn archery in this way. After training the Kumars of Kaurava and Pandava family, Guru Drona took them on a trip combining learning and hunting. Their dog went ahead of them but at one stage stopped barking. The same dog returned with arrows in his mouth, which obviously prevented it from barking. Drone became highly suspicious about this. Who could aim like this based only on sound? The party followed the dog and stopped where it was struck. The gum was all through wondering, how could any master this art of striking a target guided by sound only? I am the only gum who has mastered this highly intuitive art, and I have not taught it to anyone. Now the dog had stopped. The Guru shouted for the marksman, and from behind the bushes a dark aboriginal young man jumped. Seeing this drone, he bowed down to him with his tears in his eyes. Ekalavya took the party to his small hut and showed a small mud idol whose worship he confessed taught him almost everything in archery. All the princes, including the hero of the Mahabharata, Arjun, were surprised beyond any imagination at this almost incredible accomplishment of a illiterate aboriginal person. The moral of this story is, if you are determined in our goal, nothing can stop us from reaching it. God helps those who help themselves. Learn from the best. If they don't accept you as a mentee, learn by observing. Being a first in the market is overrated. Focus on customer experience. Deliver superior customer experience at every touch point. You and your competitors have access to the same resources. How you execute will make the difference. Hire the best and give them the space to build their ideas and grow.